Hi friends, now we are going to see how an Excel can be converted into a business application. That's a session we have just started. So in a short period, you will be amazed to see the Excel is acting as your business application. Fine, let us explore. Now let us use the ChatGPT to get the structure, table structure, what we are looking for. For example, I have taken a simple, little complex. I won't call it a simple, little complex application like asset track and management. The very purpose of the asset track and management is to maintain the asset list. I mean, list of products like laptop or PCs, whatever you want, you can maintain that one, categorize that one. On location based, you can maintain the asset and to whom you have given the asset. All these things can be maintained. And to the greater extent, you can also maintain the service, AMC, all those things can be maintained. That's a uh, very useful application for any center. Let it be any office or any commercial setup or business setup you need. So I have taken a right example to showcase that the Excel can be used to create such a complex application. That's a challenge we have taken. Let us go. So I have just given an assignment to the ChatGPT. That ChatGPT has wonderfully listed out the structure. See, I have given this table structure to maintain asset track and management. That's the only key I have given, prompt I have given, and ChatGPT has listed out the structure table. So here you can see the master list for all assets like asset ID, asset code, asset name, and even the type, what kind of data type is required is also given side by side. Like integer means it's a numerical value, varchar means it is a string, and date is date, decimal means again a numerical value with some and like for example cost, like paisa can be added like that. And generally we will avoid the enum. Okay, I'll be now instructing the ChatGPT to enum to eliminate the enum. See, what is the disadvantage with enum is a character, but what will happen is you will be restricted to use only these 5 categories. So, I mean, the asset management is using a status. That is, the asset material is using a status where active, in repair, retire, and dispose and lost. In case I want to add a sixth one, that is not possible in enum. So, let me request the ChatGPT to remove the enum, and in turn that enum should be converted to a separate table where I can add the there should be provision to add the values. Okay, let me showcase that one. So what I'm going to do, in the earlier request to the ChatGPT, we requested to remove the enum. So here the prompt. So table structure to maintain asset track and management without enum column. That's it. So now beautifully the ChatGPT has listed out the tables here. So let us see the assets. So starting with the asset ID, and you could see the model ID, then status ID, all these columns. So status ID will have another table in which the status will be maintained. Okay, like asset type. What are the asset type? What is the status? Like available, allotted, under repair. And the advantage of this system is you can add any other status as you like, or you can reduce it. Okay, there is no limitation for that. Then brand, model, vendor, location, employees, asset movement tracking, okay, maintenance and repair, maintenance type, depreciation. So all the columns are listed out. Now in addition to that, I requested the ChatGPT to list the structure. So list all the table structure so that can be saved into a text file. Okay. So it has given that. ChatGPT has wonderfully given this one. So this I can copy these and put it into a text file. Okay. So that will be very helpful for us to follow. So all the tables are listed here, whatever required. So now we need to create the table structures in the tool given to you. That I'll showcase what is a tool given to us, all those things, so that we are going to do that one. Fine. Okay.